just filmed a hair tutorial. I did the air wrap and I don't have the extra long like Dyson Airwrap attachment. I just have the original one, but I still like how it makes my hair look. And this will last for like a week. So I finally washed my hair this morning for everyone who was concerned after Jace made me feel like I was crazy. I love having a good hair day. That's a good sign. I'm on day 3 of eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Doing good so far. It's a good sign. I think because I'm not trying to restrict everything at once, it's gonna be a lot healthier for me and easier for me. Come here, baby. What are you doing? Come here. Oh, what a cute boy. His little ears, I'm never gonna get over it. So this morning I had a fried egg and some chicken sausage for breakfast, and I've already had like a full thing of water. And now I'm gonna have a coffee. It's really hard to switch from like having coffee first thing in the morning with no food, no water, to making sure you eat breakfast first and drink water and then have coffee. But I've noticed, even though this is only day 3 and I haven't even had my coffee yet, I noticed yesterday and the day before that I felt fuller longer, like I wasn't starving. Like I feel like coffee, when I drink it on an empty stomach, my stomach feels like I need to eat something, obviously. I felt fuller longer. I felt more satisfied with what I ate. And I feel like the coffee didn't make me feel like there was a monster inside my stomach trying to carve its way out. So that's good. Time to go make a coffee. The lighting in here is so good, but it's about to get so bad. My phone and my water. I did a little makeup before I filmed my hair video because I just feel like if I didn't have my makeup on, I wouldn't do it for the day. The candy bowl is getting diminished already. Who could that be? I think Jace left to go get a drink somewhere. I'm gonna check his location. Yeah, he's on his way home. Okay, I'm gonna make a coffee really quick. I'm gonna show you this. This is embarrassing, but look at how dirty the espresso machine is. I just like ground up all of this coffee yesterday or the day before and just left it there because I am a slob, I guess. So I'm gonna make my coffee. I'll be right back. Okay, I cleaned the espresso machine, got my coffee in the most iconic mug. This is from the Usher show in Las Vegas. I got this mug for Jace. We didn't actually see Usher though. I have some editing to do, so that's what I'm gonna do really quick. And then we have to clean the house for real. Like all this, those need to be painted. Everything needs to be bagged. Look at this boy. Poor Rue needs his haircut. Rue. Editing took way longer than expected. It's lunchtime. I made a little veggie and chicken sausage bowl. I just topped it with some Parmesan cheese. The best Parmesan cheese I've ever bought was from Bristol Farms, and it's very pricey, but worth every penny. So it's chicken sausage, peas, and a little bit of rice. This is the sausage. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks so good. Bubby's chicken soup sausage. It looks so good. Jace is gonna be working for a couple hours today at the studio. So I'm on my own to clean the house. That's okay. I kind of like to turn on like a podcast or some music and just like tidy up around the house and have like me time. Sometimes that like is kind of like a de-stressor for me. I really hope this chicken sausage is good. 10 out of 10. It's like, it has dill, celery, and carrots in it. Tastes like chicken noodle soup with dill in it, which is, why did I never think of that? I love dill. This meal is really not enough protein for like what I should be eating. And I put too much rice in this bowl as well, but it's better than eating chocolate for lunch, so I will get there. I find it really hard to eat enough protein. I don't know if that's because I'm newer to eating meat again, and I've always been a carb girly, which I'm learning like isn't the best. It's about balance, and I'm definitely not balanced. But I've always been, like when I was vegan, I wasn't like practicing a diet, but my diet was mostly like a high carb, low fat diet in the grand scheme of things. and I just love carbs so much that having a meal that's like balanced with like a carb, a protein, and a fat and fiber seems like it's not enough carb for me. So I've really got to learn how to enjoy that. If you have any tips, let me know. I just gave the boys a blueberry for a treat, and they've never had a blueberry before. And Ozzy went wild. Like, he's never loved something more than he loved that blueberry. Spotify Wrapped came out today. Why is it always humiliating? Like, I've never been more humbled than when Spotify Wrapped tells me like how many hours I've been listening to Taylor Swift. Do you know what I mean? The video we made for Jace for his like little Spotify thing, he said he likes it. I made this in like 20 minutes for him. I love this part. I was out shopping with my mom the other day for like stocking stuffers, and I came across this like glittery slime, and down here it says glitter scented. What does that mean? Glitter doesn't smell like anything, so if it's glitter scented, I'm trying to, like, I almost need to go back and buy this just to know what that means. I asked on Instagram about Trashy Studio next preset pack because when I put out the November pack, I thought, okay, I could do like a little mini pack for each month. That way each month has their own pack. And my goals for Trashy Studio for next year are really big. And you guys are gonna die. Like, you're gonna love it. But I have like this big grand scheme, plan, idea, vibe happening. And I really like... It's hard to not talk about it because I just want to like always get feedback before I do something, but then I like second guess myself, so I think I just need to just go with it. I asked on Instagram which pack I should put out next, if I should put out the December mini pack or if I should put out the winter grunge pack that I have. And I already knew, like, I didn't even need to ask. I knew everyone was going to vote for the winter grunge. Right now it's at 77% winter grunge. So it's looking like that needs to come out. I have a couple vlogs ready to go. That way I can like not fall behind. I know when my brother's here with his family, I'm gonna try to like not be working as much because I deserve to also take a little time off. You know, it's my choice to vlog my life and not everyone else's in my family, so we'll see how much gets vlogged. But I'm gonna try to not fall behind. Maybe only miss a day or two. You guys know me by now. Does it look like I have a rave going on? A silent disco? What's up, lady? I am so hungry and Jace is not home yet to make dinner, which was our deal today. So I guess I'm making my own dinner. I hung up these Christmas lights, that's why it looks like a rave, and they're so ugly. Jace is gonna have to fix them. I also put these down here. These, like, what are they called? C5 bulbs, but they get so hot like instantly that I think it's gonna start a fire, so I don't have them on. I'm thinking a salad for dinner because I really don't feel like making anything else. And I did get a guilty pleasure. Some people will say this is nasty. I don't care. I love Olive Garden. Used to go to Olive Garden for my birthday every year. Okay, what do we need? Oh, it says rinse. Okay, hold on. Okay, the lettuce has been rinsed. Last night we put on the Casey Anthony Peacock show. Can you guys believe they made a show for her? That's insane. I'll save you the trouble. We couldn't even make it one whole episode. I think there's a couple of them. It is bogus. It's bad. I don't know if any of you have ever had like a narcissist or like a sociopath in your life, if you've crossed paths with anyone, but I sure have, and that's the vibes that it's giving. It's very bad. I don't understand how anyone, well, I mean, I guess I do. They're very convincing people usually. To me, it feels like a bunch of lies. And who knows, I mean, I wasn't there, but that's my opinion. Cucumbers from Trader Joe's go bad just by looking at them, I fear. These ones, the Persian cucumbers, I got these like 2 days ago and I feel like they're already going bad. I'm not sure that this is really a balanced meal because it's kind of just vegetables and croutons and I guess I'm gonna put some nuts in here too. This is what sounds good. I just got off the phone with my mom. We're planning what Christmas cookies we're gonna make this weekend. This is my first year not being vegan, so I can finally eat my mom's Christmas cookies again. It's been years, so I'm really excited about it. After my brother and his family leave, I'm gonna go a little bit more stricter, a little bit more strict with my eating. Not strict, that's the wrong word. I'm gonna focus more on not eating as much refined sugar, but like I'm eating Christmas cookies, so that's just not even in the question. Okay, cucumber is done. Peppercini. I could eat this whole bottle. It smells so good. I'm just a vinegar girl. Like anything that's soaked in vinegar, I'm gonna eat it. Or, that's not true. Not anything. But like pickles, peppercini, green Tabasco. I don't like red Tabasco. Okay, croutons. I'm gonna put some pine nuts. Pine nuts are so good in salad and pasta. I love. They're actually better with like balsamic vinegar, I find. But that's okay. And why not add some sweet and spicy pecans? We'll get some kind of protein. And then we'll do dressing. I never know how much dressing to put on a salad, so it's either going to be too much or not enough. You can never have too much black pepper on a salad. Put enough until it makes you sneeze. Here she is, my big ass salad. I'm just gonna go eat in peace. I don't really have anything else going on today. I was gonna try and decorate like the Christmas tree when Jace gets home, but it's looking like he's getting home later than expected. So that means I'm just gonna have me time with my boys. I did a little Christmas shopping today online, seeing what is out there and all of that. We're just doing a smaller Christmas this year, at least like with my mom, me and Jace. We don't need a ton of presents. Like we've gone like too crazy in the past, so this year we're just trying to like tone it back a notch, and I'd really love to do some like volunteer stuff and help the community or like adopt a family and things like that. So we've been looking into doing something like that. Okay, I'm gonna go watch some of my comfort TV shows and we'll see you tomorrow. Wait, did I show you Lenny's cute little sweater? Hi, Lane. Okay, bye.
Hey Santa, how you been? How you doing? Thanks so much for the My Chem reunion. This year I don't know what I'm doing, but if I don't get tickets I'm suing.